Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of laptop backpacks and showcasing the best of 2024. Whether you're a student, a professional, or a frequent traveler, having the right backpack is crucial for keeping your gear safe and organized. So let's kick things off with our top pick, a backpack that's got it all when it comes to functionality, comfort, and style. First up, we have the MATEIN Travel Laptop Backpack, our top overall pick for 2024. This backpack is a perfect blend of practicality, style, and security, making it an excellent choice for anyone on the go. It's designed with lots of storage space and pockets, including a dedicated laptop compartment that can comfortably hold up to a 15.6-inch laptop, plus additional compartments for daily necessities and tech accessories. What makes this backpack stand out is its thoughtful design features, like the comfortable soft padded back and breathable, adjustable shoulder straps that provide maximum support, even on long days. Safety is a priority too, with a hidden anti-theft pocket on the back to protect your valuables. Plus, the USB port design is a lifesaver for those who need to charge their devices on the move. Made from water-resistant and sturdy polyester fabric, this backpack is built to last, ensuring you're covered for all your daily adventures and international travels. If you're looking for a reliable, all-rounder backpack that balances functionality and style, the MATEIN Travel Laptop Backpack is definitely the one to beat this year. Next up, we have the Samsonite Modern Utility Paracycle Laptop Backpack in charcoal heather, a rugged, reliable choice that's all about durability and smart design. If you're someone who's always on the go and needs a backpack that can keep up with your busy lifestyle, this one's got you covered. First off, let's talk about the build quality. Constructed from two-tone ripstop polyester, this backpack is designed to last. The ripstop material is interwoven with extra strength fibers, making it exceptionally tear-resistant while still being lightweight. Plus, the bottom of the bag is water-resistant, so you don't have to worry about your gear getting soaked during those unexpected downpours. One of the standout features is the Smart Sleeve, which lets you slide the backpack over the handle of your suitcase for easy transport. This is a game changer if you travel frequently. No more juggling multiple bags while trying to catch a flight. Inside, the laptop compartment is padded to keep your computer safe from bumps and shocks while you're on the move. There's also a tablet pocket with a tricot lining that's perfect for stashing your device safely. And let's not forget about the multiple zippered quick stash pockets, which provide plenty of storage and make it easy to access your essentials on the fly. Next up, we have the YOREPEK Rolling Backpack for adults with wheels, a versatile and practical solution for those who need to carry a lot on the go. This isn't just a regular backpack. It's a full-fledged travel companion designed to meet the demands of modern travelers, whether you're navigating the airport, commuting through the city, or heading out on a business trip. What sets this rolling backpack apart is its 7-inch large wheels, which make it a breeze to roll over stairs, uneven surfaces, and just about any terrain you encounter. No more struggling with heavy loads on your back. And when you need to carry it, the backpack straps are neatly stored in the back pocket, along with wheel covers to keep dirt off your clothes. The telescoping handle extends up to 19.69 inches, giving you the flexibility to customize your reach, and the sturdy rubber base adds stability while protecting your belongings. The YOREPEK Rolling Backpack is not just about wheels and straps, it's also about space and organization. Moving on to our next pick, we have the JanSport Cool Backpack, a classic that stood the test of time and remains a favorite for students and professionals alike. If you're looking for a reliable, stylish, and functional backpack that can handle everything from school to work, this might just be the one for you. What makes the JanSport Cool Backpack stand out is its blend of iconic design and modern functionality. This backpack is built with JanSport's signature leather bottom, adding a touch of class and durability that ensures it lasts for years. The ergonomic S-curve shoulder straps and padded back panel make it incredibly comfortable to carry, even when it's loaded with all your gear. Plus, the web haul handle at the top gives you an easy grab-and-go option. Now, let's talk about space and organization. The JanSport Cool Backpack is equipped with 2 spacious compartments that make it easy to organize your belongings. The main compartment includes a 15-inch laptop sleeve, perfect for keeping your computer safe and secure. Meanwhile, the front utility pocket with an organizer ensures that your smaller items, like pens, keys, and your phone, are easily accessible. There's even a side pocket for your water bottle, so you can stay hydrated on the go. What's also great about this backpack is its reputation. Lastly, we're diving into the KROSER Travel Laptop Backpack, a top contender for those who need a durable and spacious backpack for work, college, or travel. This backpack is not just about carrying your laptop, it's about keeping all your essentials organized, safe, and easily accessible, no matter where you go. The KROSER backpack is crafted from high-quality, water-repellent poly fabric, making it tough enough to handle daily wear and tear while protecting your belongings from the elements. Measuring 19.3 inches by 13 inches by 7.9 inches and fitting laptops up to 17 inches, this backpack is designed to accommodate everything you need for a day out or even a short trip. With a weight of just under 3 pounds, it's robust without being overly heavy. One of the standout features of this backpack is its multifunctional compartments. It has a place for everything: your laptop, iPad, power bank, A4 files, wallet, and even clothes. The well-padded foam compartment keeps your laptop safe, while the RFID pockets provide an extra layer of security for your credit cards, IDs, and passports, protecting them from electronic theft. The built-in USB port is a convenient touch, allowing you to charge your devices on the go. Just connect your power bank inside the bag, and you're good to go. This makes it ideal for those who are always on the move and need to stay connected. And there you have it, folks, our top picks for the best laptop backpacks of 2024. Whether you're a frequent traveler, a busy professional, or a student on the go, these backpacks offer a blend of style, functionality, and durability that will meet your needs. From spacious compartments and smart features like USB charging ports to comfortable, ergonomic designs, each of these backpacks brings something unique to the table. So no matter your style or requirements, one of these options is sure to be the perfect fit for you. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth reviews and the latest product recommendations.